Colossians chapter 1 verse 13 onwards you have, He created that which is seen and unseen. There is an invisible world. There is a spiritual realm. And in worship we go and engage here.
Yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Like Him, Lion and the Lamb, seated on the throne.
Whenever God's Spirit moves upon you, you're moved by God. You're moved by His mercy. You come into spontaneous worship. You say, Lord, I love you. I'm hungry for your presence. David would say, one thing I ask of the Lord, this is what I said, and in prayer, I'm drawn to God. You get up in the midnight, you get up in the day, you're willing to fast and pray and seek Him. Why? You're moved by the mercies of God. Same thing with an evil spirit. Whenever you begin to associate yourself with evil spirits, they draw you.